My name is Monique Hale from Extension Bar LA. We are here at Salon Republic in Studio City and we are shooting a how-to video on tape extensions. I always want to decide what kind of extensions my client gets based on hair type, length, fullness, and how many they need, what their lifestyle is. So let's say she's a working girl that can't come in every 6 to 8 weeks, she can't get tape extensions. But if she's a girl that has a lifestyle where I can see her every 8 weeks, I do tape extensions. We always have to wash the hair with a clarifying shampoo. So even if you wash your hair when you came in and it's already clean, I still come and wash your hair with Kevin Murphy Maxi Wash. It's my all-time favorite shampoo that we do carry at Salon Republic because I know that it's paraben sulfate free and it won't damage the hair and it cleanses the hair. So she is already prepped and washed with no conditioner, and we will be putting the extensions in now. So right now I'm just gonna part the hair off, which is what I do with any type of extension, because I basically go by a grid in my head of where they need to be done, because we never want to look like we have a hat on our head. Some people need 1 package, some people need 2 packages. If you have super thick hair, sometimes you need 10 packages. It just depends on, like I said, thickness, length. We always like her super long. She likes the mermaid hair. She wants the longer the better, the closer to God. Yeah. No? So yeah, I decided she needed about 5 packages to make sure we get the length, because her hair, it's fine hair, but it's a lot of fine hair. So even though it's fine, we still need to fill in this line right here. My process is a little different than most people. I put a little thing on here so I don't get all the other little baby hairs, and to make sure there's it's a watertight seal, right? So they can't wash their hair for 24 hours. So I kind of clamp it down to make sure that we're not going to lose that extension. And we just go row by row, depending on how big the head is. Sometimes we do 2 pieces, sometimes we do 3. I always go by the width of the head. I also wanted to talk about the do's and don'ts when you do have the extensions. Number 1, do not wash your hair for 24 hours. Super important, because the tape is basically a medical grade tape that you need. It's a watertight seal, so it needs to be locked in there, and that takes 24 hours, so no water can get in there. So make sure you don't wash your hair. Another really important thing is you cannot use any oily-based, silicone-based, alcohol-based products. I always tell my client to, like, if they're not sure about it, to text me, to send me a picture of it, because I want to make sure that you're getting your full use of these extensions, which is 6 to 8 weeks. So no oily-based, no silicone-based. I always send home Kevin Murphy paraben sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner. I always ask my client to buy that, because it's super important that you go home with something I know that is going to be safe for the extensions. Emily uses the Hydrate, which is just, it makes it super soft, super shiny, and I know that the extensions aren't going to fall out with that. The do's are, make sure you treat it like your own hair. Don't be scared of it. I think that there's just such a preconceived notion that, like, you have to be so careful or your hair is all going to fall out, and that's not true. Right? Like, you brush your own.
I brush it out just normally. Of course, you have to be a little bit more careful.
Right.
But it's not an inconvenience. And
yeah, I think that that's like one of the main questions is, how do I deal with it? I'm like, you bought the hair, treat it like your own hair. And this is why they call me the hair dealer, because you keep coming back for more. We just finished cutting, styling, and curling it. How obsessed are you?
I love it.
I love the way that it turned out. It's blending perfectly. If you guys have any questions, follow me at Extension Bar LA and DM me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, All Hail Hair, and hashtag All Hail Hair. Thanks for watching.